Hey, want to stop living paycheck to paycheck and finally make your money work for you? Welcome to Financial Advice 101, the beginner's cheat code to saving and investing. Section 1, Mindset Shift. First things first, you don't need to be rich to start saving or investing. What you need is a decision and a plan. Say it with me, save first, spend what's left. Not the other way around. Your income is a tool. Whether you earn $1,000 a month or less, your wealth grows by what you keep, not just what you make. Section 2. Save smart. Let's talk savings. Here's the rule, 50-30-20. 50% equals needs. 30% equals wants. 20% equals savings and debt repayment. You may not have 20% to save yet? Start with 5%. Even 2%. The habit matters more than the amount. Create an emergency fund first, $100K, $500, whatever you can manage. It's your safety net. Section 3, Invest early. Now, let's grow your money. Rule of thumb, don't save to get rich, invest to get rich. Start with low-risk, high-discipline investments. Mutual funds. Index funds, like S&P 500. Government bonds. Dollar cost averaging into ETFs. Bonus tip, use apps like Trove, Bamboo, RiseVest, for Nigerians, or Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, if you're in the US. Watch out for these. Avoid these beginner traps. 1. Quick money schemes, if it sounds too good, it is. 2. Investing without understanding, always research. 3. Saving in cash only, inflation will eat it alive. Here's the truth, you won't get wealthy by accident. It takes intention. Start now, yes, now. Because time is your greatest asset when it comes to compounding growth. According to Albert Einstein quote, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Saving is defenses. Investing is offense. You need both to win the money game. If you learned something today, give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to take control of their money. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I reply to everyone.